Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making this easy, delicious, healthy meal under 30 minutes. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
For this meal, we're making some mushroom rice. So what I'm doing at the moment is prepping my mushroom. Now all I've done is just cut it in strips and then the opposite direction to make some small cubes. Now I am using my rice cooker to make the rice, so I do have a saute function on my rice cooker. If you don't have that on your rice cooker, if you do own a rice cooker, then just go ahead and do this on the stovetop. Now to melted butter, I've added some crushed garlic. Now I used about 5 cloves of crushed garlic. I'm gonna go in with a whole chopped onion, diced onion. Just gonna saute this now for a few minutes. After this time, I'm gonna go ahead and add my mushroom. I'm gonna add some salt and just let this saute again for about another 5 minutes. After this time, you just want to give it a good stir, and then what I've done now is just gone ahead and added some and also some coconut milk. Once I add my coconut milk, I'm going to go in and add a few dry parsley. I'm going to also add a chicken bouillon cube. You can use a veg one if you prefer, but I like the taste that the chicken one gives it. Now make sure you do taste your pot before you add the cube, because we've already added salt, so you don't want it to be over salty. Now once you've added that, just go ahead and add your rice. I don't know what happened to my clip of me adding the rice, but hey ho, you know how it goes. Put the rice in the rice cooker and just let it do its thing. Now whilst that's been done, I did go ahead and start doing my fish. Now I'm using sea bass fillets in a heated pan with some oil. Just go ahead and add your fillets. I pre-season these with some all-purpose seasoning, nothing too fancy, just lightly season it. Now I'm going to let this fry on each side for roughly about 3 minutes. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and watch a few of my videos. If you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. Now after I've done my fish fillet, I'm gonna go ahead and saute some onions and garlic for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some chopped carrot, red yellow bell peppers, and also some sliced courgette. I'm literally gonna saute this now for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna season this with some vegetable seasoning, and I'm also gonna add some butter. Now you can do this for less than 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes depending on the texture that you want your veg, but I think about 5 minutes is suitable for me. Now this is just a nice simple meal, relatively healthy, that's just not too heavy, because you know at this time of the year now we don't want anything too heavy packing out our system. And there you have it guys, my mushroom rice, sauteed veg and sea bass fillets. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this video. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video.